Good day and welcome back to my channel, The Queen Phoenix. Today's beautiful applique is the skull, just in time for Halloween. In order to make this, you need a bit of leftover yarn. I'm going to be using some red. White is not good to record on or record with. The appropriate size crochet hook, a pair of scissors, a darning needle. If you don't have a darning needle, a smaller size crochet hook works just as well. For this pattern takes about 5 minutes. Once you know how it works, you can make quite a few of them. You will start this pattern by making a slip knot. And please hit the subscribe button and like. This channel is regularly updated with free patterns and tutorials on a weekly basis. If you are a returning viewer, hit that subscribe button and like, and leave me lots of comments. Okay, on a serious note now, chain 8. Slip stitch into the very first chain stitch that you made, and chain another 8. Slip stitch into this very first chain, not the one of this 8, the very first one. Chain 3. You are going to work into the 8 chain space. You will work 3 double crochet and work your tail away at the same time. Two half a double crochets, and 4 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chain 3. You're going to work in the next chain 8 space. You will make 4 single crochets, work 2 half a double crochets, and 3 double crochets in that 8 chain space. Slip stitch into the chain 3 that you started with. This is what you have so far. For row number 3, chain 3. This counts as 1 double crochet. In the same space, work 1 double crochet. 2 double crochets in the next stitch. Two half a double crochets in the next stitch. 2 single crochets in the following stitch. 1 single crochet now in the next stitch. This is what you have so far. Now you're going to make 1 slip stitch in each of the next 5 stitches. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chain 3. 1 double crochet in the next chain. 2 double crochets in the chain space. 1 double crochet in the last chain. Chain 3. Slip stitch in the same stitch. That very first one there. 1 slip stitch in each of the next 4 stitches. That's 2, 3, 4. 2 single crochets in the next stitch. 2 half a double crochets in the following stitch. 2 double crochets in the last 2 stitches. So 2 each. Slip stitch in the 3rd chain, 1, 2, 3, from beginning. Now I'm just going to neaten it up just a bit. And here you have it. So of course you'll cut your chain and work everything away very nicely. Just move my stitches a bit. But this is your skull. You can also just leave it and hang it up, turn it into a tassel. Completely up to you. I hope you enjoyed this very short tutorial. Please enjoy crocheting. This is the Queen Phoenix out. Cheers.